Welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to switch between accounts on the X app, formerly known as Twitter. If you manage multiple accounts for personal use, business, or any other reason, this feature makes it super convenient to switch back and forth. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the X app open on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing your account settings and options. Go ahead and tap your profile picture. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Here's where you'll see all the accounts linked to your X app. If you have multiple accounts set up, they will all be listed here. Now, simply select the account you want to switch to from the drop-down menu. Just tap on the desired account, and like magic, you'll be taken straight to that account's feed. It's that easy. Switching accounts is not only a time saver, but also a great way to keep your personal and professional lives separate. Whether you're engaging with followers or just browsing, you can seamlessly navigate through your different accounts without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks on using social media effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting.